What is up? We have hit Holy Junk, episode number 162 of our podcast, the Broken Cassette Player that we air for you each and every week, sometimes even in less than a week's time. Imagine that. My name is Shred. Hope you're doing okay today. We have 5 new bands this week, probably 5 new songs, absolutely, for you. We're going to start with the Jacksonville, Florida band known as GILT, G-I-L-T, no U in there. From there, I Saw Myself in the Black Screen album forthcoming. This is Spit Out Into a Ditch. GILT. They didn't always used to be so aggressive when they started, from what I had listened to. From 2020, which is, only 6 years now. Their new album comes out in 3 days' time, 6/26. I Saw Myself in the Black Screen. Spit Out Into a Ditch, the name of that song. The band GILT, again, no U in their name, G-I-L-T. Post-hardcore, queercore is their moniker, how they view themselves. Up next here on the Broken Cassette Player, episode 162, is the New Jersey band Bike Routes, and from their Prairie album, also coming out on the 26th of this month, this is Shadows.
Said goodbye for the second time. I was chasing after some secret life. I told my friends everything was alright. I told my mom everything was alright. And I can't explain the outcome. It's a pain, I'm locking in, clocking in. Baby, I'm prancing in, I'm dancing in the rain. And I say I'm gonna get away, I'll never really get away. Right now, fight, run it. Let's use our imaginations. We'll skip town and bow wow. We'll be somewhere else entirely. Yeah. Forget you, running from the shadows again. A dead man, his best friend, will go somewhere else entirely. And there's a cop directing traffic and he's out of his car, and you roll your window down and say, good dog, man, I've never felt
Routes. We've played them before. We like that band a lot. David Lawrence Osterhout is the guy in Bike Routes. He is Bike Routes with other dudes playing in the band. Shadows, the name of that song from Prairie, the new album coming out in a few days. They've played in town, I think, at the Brighton Music Hall, opening up for different bands because they're just from Jersey. But I just have yet to have been able to see them because they've always played during hockey season, and that makes it difficult when they're the opening band. Thanks for listening. It's episode 162 of our podcast, The Broken Cassette Player. Up next is the New York City band, started in 2013, called Pretty Sick. This is Home to Hide. The band is Pretty Sick. Home to Hide from Anarchy, their second album. Sabrina Fuentes is the singer of that band, again from New York City. Pretty sick here on the Broken Cassette Player. Up next is the band Worry from Oxford, UK, England, from their Positive Memory album. This is Pretty Place to Cry.
Fell asleep in your car, took a nap on a cold beach, couldn't sleep on a Monday, now it's a Tuesday, or is it Wednesday? Looked at all of the houses, maybe we'll live there, maybe the blue house, maybe the pink house, or maybe no house. Supposed to be with your dad. Yeah, I feel bad. I just want him to like me. Do you know if he likes me? He gets busy and nice to me, but I don't know if I'm happy. Find a place that's pretty place to cry. Come quick, I'm automatic when I sing. Come quick, I'm chasing animals when I drink. I fell off the cliff, drank some water till I got sick. Was it pretty when you found me, or was it ugly? Wanna drown in the ocean, under the full moon. Is it the full moon? Maybe a day soon. Gotta be somewhere we can eat, somewhere where we can sleep, but nothing is open, nothing is sacred. Nothing is secret. Guess we say they're nice to me, but I don't know if I'm happy. Find a place that's pretty place to cry. Come quick, I'm automatic when I sing. Come quick, chasing animals that I drink. I'm a little less shy, more selective, I'm a little less high, more apathetic, just but a joke. Tapping the phone, always but a joke. Tapping the phone. Oh, is it guy with a chainsaw? Is it a chainsaw? What's he even cutting? Sunday at 8.
Okay, come on, it's so loud. Ruin my vibe.
Awesome. Worry from Oxford, UK. Pretty Place to Cry. The name of that song. Positive Memory is their album. They've been around since like 2016. This is the band I think it has been around since 2016, but 2020 is when they started to really come about and become more popular. And they're just this band that now I really would love to see this band, Worry, here on the Broken Cassette Player. Episode 162 coming to a close. Thanks for listening. My name is Shred. Please take care of yourself. We're going to leave you with the artist known as RAGEFLOWER from Sydney, Australia, from the album Control, or it might be an EP. Only been doing it like a couple of years, and this is I Don't Believe in Love. See ya.
it'll come back around. I don't know if I still believe in love anymore. I don't know if I can believe in heaven going through hell. It'll come back around. It'll come back around again. It'll come back around. It'll come back around. Up on my hill, I tell myself it'll come back around. It'll come back around again.